How to view your virtual ID card in BCBSM application. Hey everybody, if you'd like to view your virtual ID card in the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan, you may follow up these steps. So head over to the browser or download the application first and open it up and log in into your account. So in the website, you should be finding this particular interface. Look out for the login option in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it, and you will be taken to the login interface where you can select your ID, your account type. So you can select if you're a member, employer, provider, or an agent. So if you're a member, tap on member and you will be taken to the member login page. Wait for that page to load up first, and you will likely need your member ID or other information to create or access your account. After you just go ahead and access your account, you can look out for an option called ID card, My Coveries, or a similar section within the app's navigation, and your virtual ID card should be displayed, allowing you to view your member ID number, group number, copay information, and other relevant details. You can use this virtual card when accessing healthcare services on your city. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to view your virtual ID card in BCBSM app, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.